Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. In this week's PPF Pro Tip, I'm going to go over when to use Adhesive Promoter when prepping your vehicle for paint protection film. Adhesive Promoter, what that stuff is it's a liquid you take, you put it on your edges. That way when you wrap your edges, the film's going to stay down. It's never going to lift up. If you've got a valley where the paint protection film is going to have a lot of tension on it and you want to make sure the film sticks in that valley, just smear some Adhesive Promoter in there. Film's never going to lift up. So how to use it? You take the Adhesive Promoter, get a good grip on it, walk over to your nearest garbage can and drop it in there. Then you come back to your vehicle, you get a microfiber towel, some 90% isopropyl alcohol, spray some isopropyl alcohol on that towel, go to the edge that you want to wrap, and you clean that edge the way it should be cleaned, and you don't cut corners. Now before you ask me, why do you have Adhesive Promoter in your shop? Very simple. I've had it for 4 years and I never use it. I bought it when I first started and I didn't know how to install paint protection film, and I thought this was something that I needed. So if you're starting to get into this industry and you think you need it, you don't need it. It was time for me to get rid of it and I figured I'd make a good video of it. So if you guys like that video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PPF content.